Alrighty, we are on the go. We are on the go. Here we go. Yeah. Got the mic ready, guys. We are following Dustin up the trail, which we should turn the mic on. That would help. All right, we are following. Let's do it, buddy. We got walkie-talkies. We're crushing. We are just doing the most with the least here. I'm gonna send the drone up in a minute here to get some good footy. Let's go first.
Discovered in 1837.
And we have our trusty tour guide Dustin on board here. Dustin, what are you seeing up ahead?
Howdy, folks. Well, up ahead here, I see a little bit of brush, a couple bumps, rattlesnake tucked away in the bushes. Keep your arms and legs inside of the vehicle at all times.
Folks, you heard it. Keep your legs and arms in the vehicle, but maybe a finger can go outside the vehicle. Stick a finger out there and tell us the temperature. If you could do that for us, it'd be so great.
Damn, Sophia, calm down, Sophia.
Sophia! Feet in the van! Feet in the van, Sophia! Oh, he's sending it.
Watching my clothes on this washboard.
And here you see a Sprinter van fishtailing just a smidge bit, and you see a Grenadier just cruising.
Hell yeah, I'm about to fishtail this corner.
All right, we have aired up the tires, and we are on the way to fill up water. And then after we fill up water, we are going to Nomadico for some coffee and some yummy foods, which I'm like so excited about. I love it there. They have super good everything, and it's just a nice, relaxing place. And I need to do a ton of work. So Dustin and I have way too much fun on walkie-talkies, and they're about to die, which is so sad. Like, it's devastating that the walkie-talkie is about to die. But anyways, we are enjoying the drive. We're going to be down in Baja, Concepcion for the rest of the day. We're going to go to Requeson, drive out onto the little finger thing, and hope there's some bioluminescent tonight, which means we will be able to go paddleboard in that, hopefully. Fingers crossed. I would love if there was some of that. That would be so, so magical. So, yeah, we're going to...
Your destination will be on the left.
We have made it to Mulege. It's definitely a very cute little town. Last time I was here, I didn't really drive through because I had the van and it was just so big. This is like less than ideal in a van. But this time we're trying to get some water before we go to Nomadic. I think it's this way. I feel like it's this way. I think this is the move. We want to be full of water. Hopefully they're open. It is Sunday and it is Mexico. I'm surprised the water place is indeed shut. So we are going to continue our drive south, and we are going to go south down to Nomadico and get some coffee. Oh, I was supposed to let air out of my tires. Well, that's not happening yet.
Head east on Calle General Martinez towards Zaragoza.
All right. I don't know where Dustin is, but I'm gonna see if he gets out here. He's taking the scenic tour of Mulege here. It's beautiful. We do love it. Problem is that there's nowhere across the river. So we are trying to figure out how to basically turn back around and go back. Because right now we're just driving the wrong direction and there's no bridges to get across the river. So we've got to find a place to turn around, which is great. So eventually we'll figure it out. At some point we will turn around. But for now we're going across the river. We're going beside the river, which is beautiful. It's gorgeous, actually. It's quite pretty. Oh, I bet you this goes to the lighthouse is what I bet you. Sloan, why didn't you buy a big truck? Why did you buy something so small? Because it's going to be such tight living spaces. Right, but this is quite literally what we drive through to go explore places. So not everything is like it is in America, where all the roads are huge and ginormous. They're tiny. Like this road is tiny. Sure, Dustin's fitting fine in his van. But there are definitely sections where I'm like scared for him. So ease, peace of mind to know that we are capable of making any tiny roads, because this one's not even that bad. They get worse. We have arrived. We're gonna go into Nomadico and we're gonna go get some breakfast and coffee and do some work and just so exciting. All right, we're going inside with the dogs. Come here, Sykes, with me now. Good boy. Come on, Zoe. Over here. All right, we're going in. We're doing the things. We're going to be happy as a clam. Psyche, with me now? What did I say? Thank you. With me. Oh. Thank you.
Everybody says that.
That, like the food, the textiles.
I always thought it'd be sick to have one of those overlander trailers.
Yeah, that'd be so fun.
You just have like more water and
More things to carry, which is also good, but not great.
which is nice.
Yes! So hungry. I'm so ready for food. Turn left. We are going to Playa el Requeson. I have never paid for a campground in Mexico. Funny fact, I've only paid for one campground in my life, and that was the Arctic Ocean up in Canada, the Northwest Territories, because I felt like that was a thing to do to the communities up there, supporting them. But the same thing goes for here in Baja, right? It's like, this is how someone makes a living, is like they own this land and they pay you to come use their land, which is fine by me. Like, I need to get over my, like, I'm not paying for a campsite thing. So we're going to this beautiful, beautiful beach and hoping that it's tucked enough away in here that it's not windy and Dustin and I can like go for swims and paddleboard and like enjoy the beach. So fingers crossed. It's supposed to be beautiful. This is beautiful. This is Gorginas. Gorgina, look at this. So nice right here. I don't know what we want to do. Let's see what this one's doing. You've been here before? Okay, well that's cool. So it doesn't feel that windy and the water looks really calm. Go to the right.
hold still.